Hi everyone, today we're going to look at Utopia, ideal theory, and political imagination. Political philosophy often imagines better worlds, but are utopias helpful or dangerous? Plato's Republic is an early utopia, a perfectly a perfectly ordered city ruled by philosopher kings. His vision is rational, hierarchical, and harmonious, but also rigid, with censorship and fixed social rules. More recently, Thomas More's Utopia imagined a society with shared property, religious tolerance, and communal living. But even he hinted it was a thought experiment, not a blueprint. Utopias serve as critics of the present. They ask, what might justice look like, unbound by compromise? But critics warn that chasing perfection can justify oppression. History has seen utopian dreams lead to authoritarian regimes where the dream of unity crushes diversity. John Ross used ideal theory to clarify principles of justice. He asked, what would a just society look like under fair conditions? But thinkers like Charles Mills, Amartya Sen, and others argue that ideal theory often ignores real world injustice. It presumes a blank slate and overlooks how racism, colonialism, or patriarchy distort actual institutions. Non ideal theory responds to this. It asks, what can be done now amid inequality and conflict? How do we move toward justice step by step? Yet utopia doesn't have to mean perfection. For Ernst Bloch, it's a spirit of hope, did not yet realize potential within society. Utopian thinking fuels imagination, solidarity, and a courage to demand more. It allows us to dream without giving up critical perspectives. Feminist and indigenous thinkers often reclaim utopia not as a blueprint, but as a horizon, a way to see beyond the status quo. Utopia is not a fixed end, but a direction. So the challenge is to dream without dogma, to build without erasure. Utopia is both caution and compass. In our final episode of Political Philosophy Theories, we ask, what makes a good citizen, and what kind of citizen do we want to be?